How to enable or turn on screensaver on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device and I want to enable your screensaver on the Samsung Galaxy phone, maybe using your predefined photo or using the default feature of your Samsung, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on screensaver on Samsung, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Once you open that, scroll down, click on display. Under display, you want to scroll down the page until you get to the bottom and then locate screensaver. Here, show a screensaver after the screen turned off automatically while phone is charging. Here, you can just come here, select color. You can preview the color you want to set as a screensaver. So if your phone is charging, this is what is going to display at the screensaver of your Samsung. Then come to photo frame, click on preview. Then here, you're going to see a photo frame generated on Samsung Galaxy phone during charging. Then again, if we use photo table, click on preview. This is how the photo table is going to look like when your Samsung Galaxy phone is charging, and this is going to be your screensaver. Again, if you come here and click on photos, click on preview under photos. Then if you have selected any photo, you're going to see the photo here. So once you selected your photo, click on settings and then choose all photos. Then full screen animated effects, then hit the bar button. Then if you click on preview, if you have any photo available, then you're going to see the photo comes up on the screen. So just select it out of this photo table, photo frame, and then color. And then you are good to go. So when next you are charging your Samsung device, you're going to see your Samsung phone screensaver enabled. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.